Hijacking HTTPS traffic in a network. Here I have two machines, Kali Linux and Windows 8. Windows 8 has IP address 172.20.10.4 and it has gateway address 172.20.10.1. Kali Linux has IP address 172.20.10.3 and it has also gateway address 172.20.10.1. You can go to the wired connection setting to check gateway address. Click on this setting button. You can see gateway address is 172.20.10.1. Both machine has internet accessible. You can see by pinging to google.com. Now we need to run echo1 command /proc sys net IP version 4 IP_forward. This command will enable IP routing. Now we need to define rule in IP table pre-routing p TCP destination port 80 redirect to port 8080. Require small j. This rule will redirect port 80 request to the port 8080. Now we need to open ARP spoof. It is 0. Define IP address of the Windows 8 machine. Windows 8 has IP address 10.4. And now we need to define gateway address. It will start to ARP poisoning in the network. Now open new tab, new terminal using Ctrl+Shift+T. Now run SSL strip command. We need /L for port listen. It will listen for port 8080. -p used for log only SSL post. So if you want to check log information for 8080, open another tab and type tail-f and SSL strip.log. It will log SSL strip informations. Now here you can see SSL strip is running and ARP poisoning is also running. Now just go to the Windows 8 machine, open Internet Explorer. Here you can see traffic redirect to the HTTP from HTTPS to HTTP. Here you can see in Kali Linux logs information we can gather information of the Windows 8 machine. Now just click on sign in and define username like it is testUser@hotmail.com, yeah, live.com, and just click on next. And define password like xyz @123 and click on sign in. Just go to the Kali box and here you can see we can gather email ID information and password informations. Also, let me find password information. We typed xyz@123. So hope you understand how we can gather username and password information using session hijacking technique. And we can also hijack sessions of the remote machine using SSL strip. Let me stop ARP poisoning first. ARP poisoning is stopped. No? Now open Internet Explorer, click on sign in. Here you can see it is redirect to HTTPS, but when we run SSL strip it redirect to the HTTPS to HTTP. So thank you for watching this video.